In this video, we listed the 5 best paint sprayer on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Professional Paint Sprayer. The FK495 airless paint sprayer is a powerful tool designed for various applications such as painting steel surfaces, epoxy flooring, oil paint construction, home decoration, and more. With a cup volume of 2.5 L and a power of 2500 W, this spray gun operates at a frequency of 50-60 Hz and a pressure of 3000 psi, offering a spray range of 10 to 60 centimeters. It is suitable for various coatings including oil-based stains, varnishes, and acrylic latex paints. The package includes high-pressure hose, paint sprayer gun with tip guard, and a 50 cm extend hose. When ordering, customers can choose their preferred shipping method, but should be aware of potential customs fees and import taxes. The product comes with a return policy within 15 days and a warranty of 1 month free replacement and 6-month free maintenance. Customer satisfaction is paramount, and the company encourages feedback to continually improve their services. The FK495 airless paint sprayer is a reliable and versatile tool for professional and DIY painting projects. Number 2. PHENDO 390 Paint Sprayer. The PHENDO 390 is a versatile electric airless sprayer designed for residential, property maintenance, and commercial use, offering high performance in applying standard architectural primers, paints, and coatings efficiently. With variable pressure adjustment for spraying a range of materials, a stable chromed steel frame with a 4-leg design, and a high-quality pump designed for durability, this sprayer minimizes maintenance needs. Equipped with a PMDC motor featuring smart motor control for extended brush life and a radial fan to keep the motor cool, the PHENDO 390 ensures reliable operation. Its specifications include a motor power of 1200 W, max flow rate of 2.2 liters per minute, and max pressure of 21 bar, 210 bar, 3046 psi. The package includes essential accessories like a 15 pressure hose, 45 cm extension wand, spray gun with tip 517, and more. Certified with CE, this skid-mounted sprayer from PHENDO is a valuable tool for renovation teams, offering efficient pressure control and optimal spraying distance, suitable for various applications in temperatures ranging from 0 to 40 degrees Celsius. Number 3. Graco Magnum Paint Sprayer. The Graco paint sprayer is a versatile tool that offers fully adjustable pressure for ultimate control of paint flow, allowing you to tackle projects of any size. With a stainless steel piston pump, you can spray paint unthinned at high pressure, and the flexible suction tube allows you to spray directly from a 1 or 5 gallon paint bucket. The power flush adapter makes for fast and easy cleanup, while the ability to support up to 100 feet of paint hose makes it ideal for multi-story homes. The RAC for switch tip allows for continuous spraying by reversing the tip when clogged. With an annual use recommendation of up to 125 gallons per year, this paint sprayer is a reliable and efficient choice for any DIY or professional painter. Made in the USA, this Graco paint sprayer is a durable and high-quality option for all your painting needs. Number 4. High-Pressure Paint Sprayer. The Yunlin brand from mainland China offers a high-powered 5800 W electric sprayer with nozzle model 629. This device operates at a voltage frequency of 220 V, 50 Hz and comes with a 50 m long nozzle capable of delivering a maximum flow of 45 L. It is important to note that this product does not come with any certification. Number 5. M819, a paint sprayer. The M819, a paint sprayer all-in-one airless spray painter, is a powerful and efficient tool designed for professional painting jobs. With a 1.5 HP electric motor and a flow rate of up to 1.9 liters per minute, it ensures a uniform and thick coating that adheres well to surfaces. Equipped with high-pressure technology and a pressure gauge for real-time monitoring, it allows for precise pressure adjustment based on the paint material being used. Compatible with various coating materials, this airless paint sprayer is portable and easy to use, making it suitable for a wide range of painting projects. The package includes essential accessories like a spray gun, high-pressure hose, and necessary tools. With its versatility and performance, this paint sprayer is ideal for both professional painters and DIY enthusiasts looking to tackle medium to large painting tasks with ease.